Hey guys, this is the hairstyle you guys will be seeing. This lovely stocking Ghana braid. Can you see, guys? Stay tuned, watch from the beginning to the end so that you won't miss any step of doing this lovely cornrow. So first thing, you achieve this hairstyle on a clean hair. After that, you section the hair into 3 parts. The middle one will not get the down, so you go ahead and you braid the middle one individual braid. After when you are done braiding the middle one, you begin to work on the side. Can you see? So this particular one, you section it into 3 portions. So while sectioning it, make sure it's not straight. Make sure you slant your hand while parting this particular side. Can you see, guys? Make sure it's not straight. You need to bend your hand to make it look in a slanting way. So after that, you section it into 3 portions. So the first one, you secure it, then you section the second one. The second one now is going to be straight to make it 3 parts. Can you see, guys? Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. My returning subscribers, thanks for always tuning into the channel. And if you are new watching any of my video for the first time, that means you are new here. Please go ahead and hit subscribe button below to join the family. Also turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So guys, when you are done with the sectioning part, then you begin to braid the hair. Start from the back so that you'll be able to achieve a proper braiding. So you start from the back. First thing, you braid the hair before you had the yeye wool. Can you see, guys? So I keep telling you guys, do not start with any extension while doing Ghana cornrow to avoid the hair from breaking. So you need to start with the natural hair first. You braid like 2 to 3 inches before you begin to add the extension. So while adding the yeye wool, you start with single one. So after that, you begin to collect 2 so that it will hold it firm. And you know, guys, this particular hair is natural hair, so I don't want the natural hair to be obvious, to be showing. So that's the reason why I'm using 2 after collecting 1. So the tip of the Ghana cornrow, you braid it so that you'll be able to stock it in very well. So when you are done with the back aspect, you go ahead and you begin to work on the other one. Can you see, guys? So you braid it first before adding the yeye wool. If you are using extension as well, you repeat the same method. Do not start with extension. Can you see, guys? So make sure you hold it firm, not too tight. As you can see, I'm achieving this lovely hairstyle on a natural hair. Hold it firm, not too tight. Can you see? That's how you keep going with this lovely hairstyle. So you keep braiding it. Hold it firm, not too tight. Can you see, guys? Please share this video to your friends and family, and if this video is helpful to you guys, please go ahead and give the video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section, and if you have any hairstyle in mind that you want me to do tutorial on, please let me know in the comment section and I will be glad to upload your request. Can you see, guys? So when you braid the hair, you twist the tip so that it will be very easy for you to stock in, as in it won't make it look too bulky, so it will make it look slim. Can you see, guys? So you twist the tip. So just watch carefully, watch from the beginning to the end so that you won't miss any step of doing this lovely hairstyle. Do not skip. Can you see, guys? So you start with the natural hair first. You keep braiding before you begin to add the extension or to add the yeye wool. Can you see, guys? Hold it firm, not too tight. I keep saying neat. Just make sure you hold it firm. Can you see, guys? So that's how you keep braiding. So when you are done with this particular one, so you move on to the third side. Can you see now? So I'm done with the second portion. This is the third portion. So can you see the way I'm sectioning it? I'm not sectioning it in a straight form. So that's the only way you can achieve this lovely hairstyle and to make it come out beautiful and nice. Can you see, guys? So you braid it first before adding the yeye wool. So this particular braid, so we use 4 yeye wool. 4 yeye wool. You can achieve this hairstyle with any kind of wool. You can also use extension. You can use Lush, Expression, Darling, so whatever extension you wish to use. But my client wants this yeye wool. That's why we're using this yeye wool. So you can use any kind of extension to achieve this lovely hairstyle. It's not a must you use yeye wool, but this particular one we're using yeye wool. You can also use baby wool, you can use bobby wool. So guys, so I'm almost done with this lovely hairstyle. So after when you are done with this, the first side, so you repeat the same thing on the other side. Can you see, guys? Make sure you hold it firm. I keep saying it. Share this video to your friends and family. Don't hold it tight to avoid the hair painful. If the hair is too tight, it can break the hair. So that's the reason why you need to start with the natural hair first before adding extension. And make sure you moisturize the scalp before braiding it. So now, guys, we are done braiding the hair. Now we want to style the hair. Can you see? So you fold the side, you fold it down, then the middle one you divide it on both sides. Then you begin to mat the hair. You start from the back. Can you see? So you begin to arrange it. You don't just mat it like that. Make sure you arrange it well so that you'll be able to achieve a neat styling. Can you see, guys? So you arrange it as you're matting it. So you hold it firm from the back. When you get to the front, you make it loose so that there will be a space for you to stock the hair. Can you see? So you lose it when you get to the front. Then the remaining tip, you stock it in. Then you use your hand to adjust it so that it will look very nice. So you use your hand to adjust it to make sure the hair is firm. Can you see, guys? So now we are done stocking the hair inside. Just go ahead and you trim the hair. You apply your mousse, you apply your washing, then you also control the edges if your client wants it. And this is the final look of the hair. You can also go ahead and you add your accessory if necessary. And this is the final look of the hairstyle. Can you see? So let me know in a comment section if you guys love the outcome. Give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye. I love you all. Mwah.